This is Paul with Grasshopper Lawn Care, and this is week 5, November 11th, Veterans Day. Happy Veterans Day to all you veterans. This is that part of the side yard that I'm still having trouble with. I've even put lime out here because I thought maybe it's too much acid. No, I haven't had a soil test, but still having lots of problems with it. A little bit trying to come up. We've had some rain, so little sprigs here and there, but just not having a lot of luck with this. May have to let that ride till springtime and see what I can do with it then. But the rest of the yard starting to get a little bit more of a green to it. Once we get past this spot right here, all of a sudden we've got green. Went out here yesterday, mulched the leaves, went over the whole thing at least twice, some places 3 and 4 times to try to get them all mulched. As you can see, there's still plenty of leaves because I still have plenty on the trees too, so still have a while to work with these. Here's my path I took. I'm seeing a lot more green in there. When I was mowing, I could see a lot of green. You don't see a lot on the camera, but it's there. A lot more green out in here. And then that spot that had the truck, a lot of green there. Again, not showing up a whole lot on the camera, but it's there. I bought a used Toro recycler today and tested it right out through here. You can see the strip I ran. Real impressed with it. So I'll have to run it next week. Get up the rest of them leaves. Of course, they'll be covered back up again before nightfall, I'm sure. Here's the side yard. And a little grass there. It even striped a little yesterday. So, reaching the end, seeing a lot of darker green out in here. Probably some bluegrass that's come up. It's a thicker blade than that rye would be. So there's my rye that's been here for years. Front yard again. That's part of it. And now we'll wrap it up for today. We'll see what it does next week. We had a lot of cold weather. We had almost freezing this morning. It's about 33, 34. Had some wind, so it didn't really frost. So my Bermuda still looks great. Also mulched it yesterday. Again, a lot of leaves. My neighbor's out mulching his right now. He's got a brown yard, most of my neighbors have. Even the ones that have that professional lawn care stuff. Well-known companies. For some reason their grasses turn brown. Huh. Mine hasn't. Thank you. Subscribe. And talk to you next week.